If you don't have anything that you need in Korean barbecue but you have this one, you don't need to worry about anything. It's gonna be still an amazing Korean barbecue. Hello guys, today I'm gonna introduce you how to make Korean dipping sauce, Ssamjang. You guys may have seen and had Ssamjang at a Korean barbecue restaurant and probably you guys loved it, right? Ssamjang goes well with any kinds of meat and fresh vegetables, so I'm gonna show you how to make Ssamjang and then have some samgyeopsal with some vegetables. Alright guys, let's start. Let's prep some vegetables first. Chop the green onion first. And then if you are okay with spicy flavor, you can put some chili in it. I use Korean spicy chili pepper, which is called Ssamjang gochu, but you guys probably cannot find this one, so you can use jalapeno. 2 tablespoons of soybean paste, 2 tablespoons of Korean chili paste, half tablespoon of pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of plum juice. You can get this from Korean market, but if you can't get it, just skip it. This is optional. Put some chopped green onion and chili. Lastly, half tablespoon of sesame seeds. It's all done now. Only we need to do is just mixing those various flavors in a bowl. You can't smell it, it cannot be not delicious. Let me try some. If you don't have anything that you need in Korean barbecue but you have this one, you don't need to worry about anything. It's gonna be still an amazing Korean barbecue. Alright, this is it for today and I'll see you next time. Bye!